Ever dreamed of ditching the traditional bank and exploring a new, tech-savvy alternative? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the world of digital banking, specifically Lunar. Heard the name but unsure if it's right for you? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly who can open a Lunar account and unlock a world of financial convenience. What is Lunar? Before we jump into who can join the Lunar fam, let's rewind a bit. Lunar is a digital bank, meaning it operates entirely online. No more waiting in queues or dealing with limited branch hours. They offer a mobile app that lets you manage your finances on the go, think checking your balance, transferring funds, and even paying bills, all with a few taps. Sounds pretty neat, right? Who can open a Lunar account? Now, onto the big question, can you join the Lunar crew? Here's the good news, opening a Lunar account is generally quite accessible. Here are the key requirements. Age, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. Residence, currently, Lunar operates in select regions. Check their website to see if your area is covered. Identification, for verification purposes, you'll need a valid government-issued ID. Additional considerations. While the main requirements are straightforward, there might be a few additional things to keep in mind. Income, while Lunar doesn't explicitly state an income requirement, it might be a factor in certain features like applying for credit cards. Employment status, being employed might offer access to some functionalities compared to being self-employed, but this isn't always the case. The benefits of Lunar. So, why even consider switching to Lunar? Here are some enticing perks. Convenience, 24/7 access to your finances from your phone. No more scrambling to reach a branch during business hours. Budgeting tools, Lunar offers tools to help you track your spending and manage your budget effectively. Fast and free transfers, send and receive money instantly to other Lunar users for free. Interest rates, Lunar might offer competitive interest rates on your savings compared to traditional banks. Is Lunar right for you? If you're looking for a convenient, tech-driven way to manage your money, Lunar could be a great option. However, it's always a good idea to do your research and compare different digital banks before making a decision. Consider your financial needs and priorities to see if Lunar aligns with your goals. There you have it. Now you know who can open a Lunar account and what kind of benefits it offers. Remember, exploring your financial options is key to finding the best fit. So, research different digital banks and see which one speaks to your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy banking.